In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a personalized dashboard in Notion for your PC, making it easier to organize and manage your tasks in one convenient location. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking for a little more order in your digital life, setting up a dashboard in Notion is a fantastic way to keep everything you need right at your fingertips. Let's get started by opening up Notion in your web browser. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your workspace. Once you're in, take a look at the sidebar on the left. You'll see an option labeled Plus New Page. Click on this and you'll be prompted to enter a name for your new page. This will be the main dashboard page you'll be customizing today. Type in a name that makes sense for you, like My Dashboard or whatever suits your organizational style, and then press Enter to create the page. Now that your dashboard page is open, click anywhere inside the blank page to activate the cursor. To bring in information from other parts of your Notion workspace, type a / followed by the word Linked. Select Create Linked Database from the menu that appears. This option allows you to pull in existing databases, such as your tasks or projects, and have them displayed right here on your new dashboard page. When you see the list of databases available, simply click on the one you want to display, like tasks or projects, and it will instantly appear on your dashboard. As your dashboard starts to take shape, you might want to add some organization and visual separation between sections. To do this, click in a blank spot on the page where you'd like to add a divider, type a /, and then type divider. Select the divider option to add a clean horizontal line that visually separates different areas of your dashboard. This can be really useful for distinguishing between different sections like upcoming tasks, ongoing projects, or any notes you might want to include. Another powerful tool in Notion is Notion AI. To use it, simply press the spacebar to trigger the AI input, then type a prompt such as Summarize tasks due this week. Press Enter and Notion AI will generate a summary for you. When the AI finishes, just click Keep to insert the generated content right into your dashboard page. This makes it easy to automatically create summaries, insights, or reminders tailored for your workflow. Finally, if you want to collaborate or simply share your new dashboard with others, look to the top right corner of your Notion page and click Share. This will open up sharing options, allowing you to invite team members or friends and even adjust permissions so you control who can view or edit the dashboard. And that's it. With these steps, you now have a personalized Notion dashboard, complete with linked databases, visual organization, and AI-powered summaries. This setup can really help streamline your daily routine and keep all your important information easily accessible in one place. Thanks for following along, and happy organizing!